After a really long time, we are back with more recipes as promised years ago. Several reasons for not uploading any videos, but now we are back. And as promised, in this video, let us learn to make a very simple dish. It's a dish that Amma makes in her own style with very simple ingredients. And this recipe is very dear to me, and we want to share this recipe with all of you. And by the way, the dish is Kattu Saaru. Without any further ado, let us learn to make this wholesome dish at our homes. And by the way, welcome to our channel Ooru, Oota, Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking that bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. As mentioned in the Chana usli video, Kattu Saaru is prepared with the extract of the boiled chickpeas. So here we are adding half a cup or 120 grams of chickpeas soaked overnight to the pressure cooker. And to that goes our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Once we have done this, let us pressure cook this for about a whistle or two. And then we extract all the water from the boiled chickpeas. A good point to note here is, we can prepare Kattu Saaru with multiple extracts of different lentils as well as different seeds. As shown in the previous video, chickpeas can become a beautiful recipe of Chana usli. And now is the time to learn Kattu Saaru. For Kattu Saaru, we start by preparing a simple spice mix. And for that, let us add 2 tablespoons of oil to a heavy bottomed pan. Once the oil gets a little hot, to this we add 1 large roughly chopped onions. And as we fry these onions in this oil, the next ingredient is 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Once we add the garlic cloves, let us give it all a good mix and then add the next ingredient, that is a little bit of curry leaves. After giving it all a good mix, the next in the list is 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next comes 1/4 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Let us add the peppercorns and then add about 10 fenugreek seeds. Not more, not less, just 10. After this comes 10 dry red chillies into the pan. After adding dry red chillies, let us give it all a good mix for about 30 to 40 seconds. Once that has been done, the next in the list is 2 large roughly chopped tomatoes into the pan. Let us add the tomatoes and give it all a good mix before we add the next ingredient in the list, and that is a handful of coriander leaves. Let us add coriander leaves, give it a good mix, and then add a little bit of tamarind as shown in the video to give Kattu Saaru the much needed tangy flavor. After adding the tangy flavors of tamarind, the next ingredient is 50 grams or half a cup of grated coconut with a little bit of water to bring it all together before adding the most important ingredient, that is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After adding the turmeric, let us add the secret ingredient, that is 1 tablespoon of homemade sambar powder. Link for this is given in the description as well as in the cards above. After adding sambar powder, let us give it a good mix, take it off the heat and cool the mixture before we grind it. Once the masala has cooled down, let us grind the mixture into a fine paste with the help of a mixer grinder. And now it is time to bring it all together into Kattu Saaru. And for this, we are adding 500 ml of chickpea extract that we already have into a heavy bottomed pot. And to this, we are adding the hard work, that is the masala paste. Once we have added the masala paste, let us give it all a good mix before adding the king of taste, Mr. Salt. After adding salt as per taste, Amma prefers to add a little bit of jaggery. A small piece of jaggery always takes the dish to a level that feels much more homely. Let us give it all a good mix before the mixture comes to a good boil. After bringing it to a boil, Amma prefers to give it a quick tadka, and for this tempering, she starts by adding 2 tablespoons of oil to the heavy bottomed tadka pan, and for that goes a little bit of curry leaves. After curry leaves starts to splutter, she adds 10 to 15 slightly smashed garlic cloves into the pan. And this feels like a real secret. After frying it to the perfect golden color, she adds it to the Kattu Saaru. This tempering into the Kattu Saaru fills the house with the aroma that I can't even explain. And this is it, my friends. Beautiful and delicious Kattu Saaru is ready, and this, when served with hot rice and a little bit of ghee, heart just fills with the emotions that I can't even explain. If you have liked this recipe, do prepare this at your homes and share it with your friends and family. Let us meet again next time. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking wherever you are.